This is the Blend 150 from ProTool, and what it does is holds 100 gallons of SH, or bleach to most people, and it has a 50-gallon buffer tank, which is always topped off by connecting your garden hose to the front of the buffer tank, and the float valve will keep you topped off. It then mixes together the SH, the water, and your surfactant, whatever you choose, and in our case, we've got ProTool stick here. The surfactant that you're going to draw in is drawn in with a whip tube out of your bucket, so you can switch this for different surfaces. All right. You then choose what you're cleaning. It's percentage of mixed solution off the chart. In this case, we're going to do a 2%. So it says it's a 60 on the SH dial. You set that guy to 60. And our chemistry for the chemical surfactant we're using says set it to 45 at 1 ounce per, so we set that to 45. Turn on the chemistry pump and spray out the 20 nozzle. You had a stream and a fan for close-in works. When you're done spraying chemistry, you're going to want to rinse. So you're going to run this Mac Daddy 8 gallon a minute capable, but you're going to see 5 to 6 gallons a minute at the tip. You change your tip to the 60, one big hole on the end. You switch the choice for the power source from the chemistry pump to the rinse pump. Turn it on, let the existing chemistry in the reel run out, and off you go to rinse. When you're finished, you're going to want to rinse out your chemistry pump. Set these back to 0. Switch the pump back to the chemistry pump, turn it on, run enough water to rinse the pump, and a lot of people will run water out and rinse the entire hose line as well, so it's not carrying any chemistry on the truck in the hose.